पुलिसले बोलाएको छैन अगाडि पुगिसक्यो zebra crossing is like right there सायद मेरो नहेरिकन यहाँबाट त्यहाँसम्म आउने कि लेन काटेर माको मेरो यो दाइले कति हर्न बजाउने ल यत्तिकै Hello. A very good morning to everybody who's watching. This is like a surprise. A surprise because, yep, I've not been able to post any videos lately. It's been about 6 months that I've not posted anything. So as usual, there are a lot of reasons. I'm so sorry guys. Life's been busy. A lot of work, a lot of things to be directing your efforts towards. What's happening here? So yes guys, I'm so sorry. I really need to apologize. Content बनाउने यस्तो मिस मलाई पनि भएको थियो अनि I really want to thank you all for still being there in my subscribers count. And I see 3,100 people, you guys, still subscribed. अनि जहिले पनि दुःख चाहिँ लाग्थ्यो कि मैले भिडियोजहरु पोस्ट गरिरहेको छुइनँ भनेर. अनि अर्को एउटा सानो reason for me not to be able to make videos was मेरो हेलमेटमा GoPro mount. त्यो चाहिँ लुज अप हुन थालिसकेको थियो. त्यो माउन्ट लिएर भ्लग गर्न थालेको भए maybe I would have dropped my GoPro somewhere. Vibrations ले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ लुज भइहाल्ने भएको थियो. अनि like I never got time to हुन्छ नि घरमा बसेर माउन्ट चाहिँ अर्कै खालको कसरी सेटअप गर्ने भनेर त्यो टाइम कहिले पनि भएन. So finally, Luza, my friend, helped me out. So M-seal लगाएर चाहिँ ट्याक्कै हेलमेटको बिचमै permanently attached गर्यौं. So yes, the GoPro is back on. So with that all said, आज खासै त्यस्तो केही भिडियो बनाउने सोच त थिएन अनि because the helmet was ready, the GoPro was there, I just thought किन आज vlog नगरौँ. So let me get some things that I need to buy. I need some जेरी स्वारी. दाइसँग जेरी स्वारी छ है. मलाई स्वारी मात्र राखिदिनु ल दाइ. दाइले भन्नु भएन जेरी चाहिँ यसो आँगनतिर लिउँ कि जस्तो लाग्यो. आँगनको चाहिँ मिठो लाग्छ. कति दाइ? हस्. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, I'm heading towards Gorigat Sasuralima. Hey, होइन नि त. I still need to get some jerry. So I'm heading towards Agan. Maramalai, Makevo, Nurulagay. Alright. Maybe I should talk about upcoming videos. But I'm not saying that I'm absolutely free oily only. I'll be posting a lot of videos frequently. I still have a lot of work as a freelance videographer and video editor. काम आगलामा टन्ने लिन्छ नि त. भनेपछि एउटा पर्टिकुलर टाइममा अति नै बिजी हुने. त्यसकै आफ्टरम्याथ never mind. But I'll try to post as much as possible. Of course, Dai, of course. बाटो खुला देखेपछि त बटार्ने हो नि. It is such a beautiful day, यार. It's sunny. Winterमा यो पालिको winter पनि जाडै लाग्यो यार. It went all down to 0. I cannot wait for summer. पछाडिको ट्याक्सीले हर्न बजाएर दिक्क पार्यो when I cannot move further. The traffic up till here is not that bad today. Surprised. Otherwise, it would have taken me about 15 minutes. I'll give a stop button. Yeah, you're way off the lane, sir. Yep, and honk. Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. Already got taxi. Zebra crossing was a shine bright in a beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. What's the Dodin Bago? Savari reason the Dodi also in. I hate this very much. 6 cars for 1 person, or maybe 2 or 3, whatever. 6 cars. Look at the patience that he's got. Police बोलाएको छैन अगाडि पुगिसक्यो. And stopping for zebra crosses, which a lot of people do not do because they're lazy and stupid. A lot of times it's so frustrating that you always have to be very super careful एकछिन पनि यताउति हेर्न मिस भयो भने you really can find yourself in an accident right away. अनि बाइक चलाउँदा थाके जस्तो फिल हुने at the end of the day. Dekanua, I should take a left and be on the left lane. And we are nearly here. Let's get some jalebi. Parking चाहिँ अलि ढङ्गको ठाउँमै गरौँ. Zebra crossing is like right there. And slow-mo हिँड्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You have time, sir, don't you? I do not. यहाँ ठाउँ छ त. Please. सार्नु पर्ने भयो जस्तो छ बाइकलाई. राम्रो लाग्यो. मेरो बाइक राम्रो लाग्यो. होइन मैले भर्खरै सारेको मेरो लागि. You gotta communicate. And everything's alright. त्यही ठाउँमा झर्केर आफूले बोल्यो भने You are in a quarrel. Ziri बन्दैछ. Worth the wait. Hus, thank you, Dai. Let's go. Stop. Please. Thank you. Slow and steady, sir. One miss. Game finish. Got it. Oh yo. 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 You know I gotta pull. Uste John Marna lie. Side mirror, please. Side mirror not. You can but yeah, somehow you can cut it. I love this SUV. Yeah, but turn one for Sophie. Look at the headroom, then side lights, then try not to die while turning. Mission accomplished. Gori got to Pumeati yo. So ससुराली गएर लन्च गरिन्छ. अनि त्यहाँबाट I have to go to नयाँ बानेश्वर मेरो अर्को रिलेटिभ कहाँ. हेलमेट चाहिँ अलि प्रपरली नै लगाउँदा अलि ठिक हुन्थ्यो होला है. So I'll be back on the road in a bit. अब यहाँबाट जाँदैछु म नयाँ बानेश्वर. So let's see what the roads have to offer. Gori ghatko chukai ayo. जाउँ दाजु जाउँ. बा लाइन त चोकैसम्म पुऱ्याइसकेको रहेछ यिनीहरूले. एकदम राम्रो कुरा चाहिँ अहिले ठाउँ ठाउँमा चोकहरूमा चाहिँ यो टाइमरवाला स्टप लाइट राखिएको छ. So you know how much you have to wait. So maybe you can call somebody or get off like that and do your stuff. Things are changing slowly, but it's happening. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. अनि हर्न बजाइहाल्नु पर्छ यार. कस्तो पेसेन्स. कत्रो ठुलो खाल्टो यार. जम 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 जम. सबै बाटो यत्तिकै खुल्ला हुनु. होइन किन हर्न बजाइरहनु भएको छ कि लाइक देयर्स नो स्पेस अगाडि. माकसम यार यो दाइले कति हर्न बजाउने. ल यत्तिकै. अफकोर्स लेन त तपाईँले नै क्रस गर्नुहुन्थ्यो. अरू कसरी गर्दैन थियो यता. अगाडि नै जानुपर्ने. ऊ त्यहाँ अगाडिसम्म गएर खै के चाहिँ उपलब्धि गर्नुहुन्छ थाहा छैन. अरे ट्याक्सी साइड लगाइरहेको छ यार अर्को लेनमा. Off of the main road. So I'll be back on the road again in a bit. Alright. यहाँबाट स्वयम्भू गएर साथीहरूसँग क्यामेराको सामानहरू लिनु छ. So let's go. यो बाटोमा स्योर जाम पुर्नै पर्छ होला पक्कै. जहिले यस्तै यो बाइकहरूले गर्दाखेरि लेफ्टमा जाने बेलामा जाम. ए बाबै पल्सर रोकिरहेको छ साइडमा. मतलब छैन है यङ केटाहरूलाई पनि. I'll just stick to this left lane, slow lane. UP सजिलो छ इन्डियन गाडीहरूलाई नेपालमा चढ्न. लाइन चाहिँ क्रस गर्नै पर्ने है सबैले. आफ्नो लेन कहाँ छ आज बिचमा. आजकल यस्तो बोर्ड्सहरू राख्न थालेछ जरिवाना लाग्छ 10,000 रुपैयाँसम्म भनेर Why the horn, yaar? Why the horn? I do not have space to go forward. यहाँबाट अहिले लेफ्ट जान मिल्ने हो कि नमिल्ने हो? I guess yes. पहिला यही ठाउँमा जानै दिँदैन थियो फेरि खोइ they're allowing. दुलो खायो धुम मचाले You're very close. यतिकै छिरेछ लेफ्टबाट राइटमा ठिक छ it's always not possible to be giving your side lights तर at least side mirror त हेर्न सकिन्छ नि हेरेछ नि Why the high beam? Mirror folded anytime now अनि यो स्कुटर पनि अगाडि जान्छ I knew it. That was expected. Every single one of these riders is contributing for a future jam. Every single one. This is the problem. कति हो त घर पुगिहाल्छन् नि साँझ परिसक्यो बस त नयता नहुँदा साँझ बसमा छु पनि चढ्दछ Way overloaded, but who cares? Side mirrors? No? हेरेको छैन side mirror. आकाशमा फर्किरहेछ है side mirror पनि. हामी सायद थियो खाल्टो बचाउने केसमा चाहिँ एक्सिडेन्ट चाहिँ हुँदो रहेछ स्वयम्भू पुग्ने आँट्यौँ I was actually thinking about continuing the vlog up till the end, but it is Saza Sakyu, so I think it'll be a good idea to be ending the vlog. Thank you so much guys for sticking around in this comparatively short long vlog. Again, really want to thank you guys for the support. I'll try to put videos. So please do stick around. Alright, I think that's a wrap up. Good night everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.